decomposition method of N and C atoms in R, AR, N to CH4 flowing afterglows in high-power RF jet. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The primary purpose of the study is to investigate the decomposition mechanisms of nitrogen, N, and carbon, C, atoms in a plasma afterglow environment consisting of argon, Ar, nitrogen, N2, and methane, CH4. One of the major problems in depollution processes using the plasma technique is the analysis and monitoring of the effluent gases. Radiative species in the ARRF plasma torch with the addition of H2, CH4 and CF4 polluting gases have been analyzed by emission spectroscopy. An efficient etching by F atoms of reactor quartz tube is detected from C atom emission when a few 10 to the power of -3 CF4 was introduced into the AR plasma. The silicon emission disappeared with H2 introduction into the AR CF4 gas mixture, which has been correlated with HF formation. From C atom emission, it is deduced that CF4 as CH4 polluting gases are largely dissociated into the AR plasma torch. The C atom density was evaluated from the N atom density measured by NO titration by considering the part of N plus N recombination which populated the N2, BV radiative states. It is found that the RF 64 MHz plasma jet at 3 kW brought N and C atoms densities in an afterglow at 310 to the power of -2 s near the atmospheric gas pressure, which are respectively ~10 to the power of 16 per cubic centimeter and 10 to the power of 15 per cubic centimeter are 10 to the power of 1 and 10 to the power of 2 higher than in 2450 MHz afterglows at about 100 watts and 10 torr. The gas temperature determined from the Cn and N to rotational systems is 3200 plus or minus 200 K in the RF torch and 700 plus or minus 100 K in the afterglow at 310 to the power of -2 s. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.